Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to be covering the tab formatting on Microsoft Word. So if you missed the previous video, we actually covered tabs and tab stops and what they do. So a quick overview. If you look up here in the ruler, you'll see these little tab stops. And what we did with these tab stops is we placed them because we wanted to be able to have a uniform look here for our columns, which are name, location, and position, and then the data that's below it. So to do that, we just used tab stops. So with those tab stops, we just press tab once, and it'll automatically jump to those tab stops. So rather than us having hit tab, or space, we just have those tab stops to make our life so much easier and keep that uniform look on our page. Now, to me, it's clear that Chris Jones works in Los Angeles and he's a CPA, but if you wanted to take it one step farther, we can add in some formatting. So let's go ahead and highlight the data here, and we'll come up here to the paragraph settings option under the Home tab. Then if you come down here to tabs, we have some different options where we can modify or add some formatting to our tabs. So you can see we have the 2-inch tab right here and the 4-inch tab. So we have one here at 2, one at 4. So let's go ahead and select the number 2-inch tab first. And you can see right now we're at center alignment, but you can have tabs that are left align, right align, decimal, bar. But then now what we could do is we can go ahead and decide, do we want it to be a ... between the data? Do we want it to be a dash, an underscore? So let's go ahead and stick with the ... and we'll hit set. And now if we come over here to the 4-inch, we have to do the exact same thing. So the alignment may be different, but for us it's the same. And then we'll do the same thing with the ... Then we'll hit set and then hit OK. And now you can see it's clear to the user that this is a row. Chris Jones works in Los Angeles, he's a CPA. Mike works in Los Angeles, he's a tax consultant. So it just gives one more indicator to the user that this is one row. And if we go to the next row here and we start creating one, we'll just put J. And then you see once we hit tab, it automatically adds those dots for us. And then J, maybe he works in San Francisco, California. And then hit tab again, and you see he did the same exact thing. And maybe J is a, what is J? J works in HR analyst. Okay, so that is how you're actually able to set tab formatting on your Microsoft Word document.